There's another squared structure, and I'm wondering if that's going to be one of those 60 by 60 foot panels with the ETFE that they'll be placing to form the roof and those grids. See, there's more parking lots lined up and completed, and it looks like another panel strapped up. Gonna get ready for that to go. So this is kind of the view you would see on the LA Rams and Chargers EarthCam feed, which has really become a joke. I mean, they're updating it once a week, no live streams. Compared to the Raiders and Allegiant Stadium, I mean, it's night and day. They get way better coverage. I don't know what's going on. If somebody from EarthCam is watching this, or the Rams, if you could do something to fix that. So there's a lot of fans that are disappointed that I'm pretty much the only person that's coming out here and providing that, when they could be getting updates every day, logging on to the LA Rams or Chargers website. And I mean, there used to be a cool internal cam and then all these other special cams that were 4K. Now the resolution is really bad and needs to be fixed. So I'm finished with my EarthCam rant. Take a look at progress on the weatherproofing portion of the roof here. Looks like they got some more roofing above the performance venue. Can't quite tell what that big white thing is. I'd really like to know what those horizontal pieces are. I'm wondering if they have something to do with the Oculus. Comment down below if you're in the know. Look, there goes a Prism View. It's a Prism View truck. Yeah, they're based out of Utah. Cool. They're building, well, they built the panels for the Oculus.